In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your surveys effectively using Surveymonkey. Whether you're conducting research or gathering feedback, being organized in Surveymonkey is essential for efficiency and clarity. Let's dive into these straightforward steps to help you navigate and maintain your surveys like a pro. To start with, head over to the Surveymonkey homepage. This is where all your projects live, and navigating here will set the stage for everything you do. When you land on the homepage, you'll find a list of your surveys. These are the projects you've worked on and saved over time. It's like your digital desk, where everything is neatly laid out. Now let's say you want to make some adjustments to an existing survey without starting from scratch. You'll need to duplicate a survey. To do this, look for the survey you want to work with and focus your attention on the three dots aligned with that survey. These dots often hold a variety of options, kind of like a drop-down menu. They're usually easy to spot, resembling an ellipsis icon, so give it a click. However, if you've completed your survey or it's no longer needed, you might want to clear up some space by deleting it. With the menu from the three dots still open, you'll find the delete option. Clicking this is like taking out the trash. Once it's gone, it lightens the load and makes it easier to navigate through your ongoing projects. Now, Surveymonkey will ask you to confirm your decision, which is a great feature that prevents accidental deletions. This double-check step is where the system prompts you with a confirmation button. It serves as a safeguard, ensuring that you really mean to delete that survey. Go ahead and click delete again to confirm your choice. It's essential to be sure when making these decisions as they help maintain a clean and organized workspace. When you successfully delete a survey, you'll notice that your project list becomes less cluttered, making it easier for you to focus on active tasks. It's like tidying up your office, allowing you to see the big picture more clearly and helping drive efficiency in your survey projects. In conclusion, navigating Surveymonkey involves a balance of creating, managing, and maintaining your surveys. Remember to utilize the menu options wisely and maintain regular housekeeping by deleting unnecessary surveys. This practice not only keeps your workspace in order, but also enhances productivity by allowing you to focus on what truly matters. That's it for today's guide on effectively managing your surveys with Surveymonkey. Implementing these steps ensures you use your time wisely and keep your survey environment organized. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating and managing with ease.